friends, today I am going to teach you all how to make amazing elephant's toothpaste. The first thing you need is H2O2. When you get a cut in your skin, doctors will apply it, which will act like antiseptic. It doesn't let microbes to grow, and it is mainly called as hydrogen peroxide. The next thing you need is potassium permanganate. This is used for washing fruits or vegetables and used for brushing tooth of elephant. The next thing you need is any liquid soap and water and a glass bottle. Let's start. For one bottle, I have added turmeric to check if the color changes or not. Let's start. I have filled water in this glass bottles. Use only glass bottles. If you use plastic bottles, the plastic bottle will catch heat and it may burst. First, we will add potassium permanganate a little. Use very small bottles. You will get these two things in any medical store. Let's mix it. Potassium permanganate is in pink color or purple color. Make sure you wear glasses because we are using chemical. Mix it well. You can use any stick too. Make sure you fill only half bottle with water. Now we'll add a little hydrogen peroxide. Before that, we will add 2 drops of liquid soap. Make sure you add only 2 drops. And now we'll mix it. Now we'll add hydrogen peroxide and see what happens. See how it came. See? If you add more hydrogen peroxide, the fountain or the elephant toothpaste will come very much. Make sure you keep the chemical side when you're adding. See how much the elephant toothpaste is made. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, and don't forget to click the bell icon. Share and comment too. Thank you. See how nice it came. I have used liquid soap because it makes any froth when you mix it. It might make a little bit of mess. I'm going to teach you all how to make fire without using matchbox. I'm using glycerine. If you get any mouth cuts in your mouth, you can apply this. And I am using potassium permanganate. Let's start. I have taken a piece of rock and I'll pour a little bit of Glycerine. Now I'll add potassium permanganate. And now mix it. See how it got burned. See how it got burned. This potassium permanganate we have used in the last experiment too. See how the fire catches without using matchbox. I have made powder of KNMO4, which is called as potassium permanganate. If you don't have glycerol, you can even use sugar powder too. And this you will get it in any medical stores. Make sure you make powder by hitting with a hammer.